ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ടെസ്റ്റ് 20ൻ്റെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ടെസ്റ്റാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാൻ പാടാത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പഠിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്കപ്പോൾ നേരെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോവിങ് ഈസ് ആപ്ലിക്കബിൾ ടു ബാങ്കേഴ്സ് ലീൻ? Option C, deposits. Second one, CBS means. Option D, core banking solution. Third one, the limitation period of a mortgage is. Option D, 12 years. Fourth one, differential interest rate was introduced by RBI in dash year. Option B, 1972. Fifth one, the audit fees of a primary cooperative bank is calculated on the basis of. Option B, working capital. Sixth one, deposit register, loan register, liability register, chitti register, etc. are. Option B, subsidiary ledgers. Seventh one, a central society which received fund from the principal state partnership fund shall constitute another fund known as. Option A, subsidiary state partnership fund. Eighth one, the minimum liquid cover shall be of the scale dash of total demand and time liabilities, excluding full value of the fixed deposit matured and for payment at the close of the business in any day. Option D, 25%. Ninth one, every society with limited liabilities which obtains any portion of its working capital by deposits and not coming within the purview of Banking Regulations Act 1949 shall maintain. Option A, fluid resources or liquid cover. 10th one, according to Kerala Cooperative Society Rule 29(1), dash is the record showing receipts and disbursements and outstanding under various heads from day to day. Answer option B, general ledger. 11th one, dash is kept for recording the proceeding of the committee, subcommittee and of the general body of the members. Option C, minute book. 12th one, dash shows the daily receipts and expenditure and the balance at the end of each day. Answer option A, day book. 13, the checking of common books and records by an auditor as a matter of routine is known as. Option C, routine checking. 14, audit in the case of an enterprise is made compulsory by law is called dash audit. Option A. Statutory audit. 15. The first duty of an auditor of a cooperative society is. Option B. Verification. 16. Audit report of dash are to be placed before the legislature. Option B. Apex societies. 17. Audit memorandum is prepared by. Option C. Auditor. 18. Amount given by the government in which there is no repayment expected is called. Answer option A. Grant. 19. The trial balance of primary cooperative societies or banks is called. Option A. Receipts and disbursement statement. 20. The surplus of the society is disposed as. Option D. All the above.